Hey guys, this is a follow-up video to the how to remove the rear seats. In this video, I'm gonna be removing the rear deck and the subwoofer.
All right, so I got that removed. Ooh, let me show you what's going on. So if you look at my speaker here, what do you call this? The bass, the booster. Man, that's all torn up. Jeez. I only wanted to work on the rear shade, so. Okay, so I got the rear back seat back taken out. It looks like this. So here, there's 3 openings here. I think these are baby car seat holders. There's 3 of these in the back. In here, there's a 12 millimeter bolt. So to get this out, to get this piece out, I used a bunch of these. Actually, the one I specifically used was these 2. So what I did was I just basically went in here where I can and pulled it out a little bit, and then I used my hand to kind of pop it out, and I'm about to take it out. Let me see if it just slides out, or okay, so it just comes out. So if you look, basically you got 3 things, 3 snap-ins. So you heard that snap? So one's out. There's 3. There's 2. I think there's 1 towards. Okay, that's the 3rd one. And then it should pull out up. But this side, I didn't remove all the trims here, so it should come out after that. Okay, so I removed the trims down here. Actually, if you look here, it's actually another snap, and just the other one, that didn't come out. The other one, the blue piece, the snap-in, got left in with the car. Actually, whenever I take these apart, I like to actually look at what's behind it, because in case I need to do more future work, I look at this side. Okay, I'm gonna try to remove the so I was able to pop this one out, so looks, oops. Wonder if I broke something.
Those 4 tabs on the corner is what's holding the subwoofer grill. So don't try to take out the grill. You're gonna break it like I did. So I'm gonna have to glue back the one that I broke. Okay, so I forgot to capture a clean video, so I'm back out here. So this this is the rear deck, right? And the bottom is the front portion of the rear deck. And you see that white plastic piece right there? So that is what was preventing the rear deck from coming out easily. That's why I couldn't lift up the center portion of the rear deck. Uh, After I took it out, now I realized that actually slides in here. So when I was juggling the rear deck, back and forth, and trying to get it loosened, it popped out of there, and that's what allowed me to finally take out the rear deck.
Okay, so you didn't need to take out the speaker grill. You guys have to thank me for me breaking one of the tabs here. If you notice, this rear deck didn't come out completely. It's got seatbelt still going through. So I'm resting it on the back here. All right, so I got that removed. Let me show you what's going on. So if you look at my speaker here, what do you call this? The bass, the booster. Man, that's all torn up. Jeez. I only wanted to work on the rear shade, so okay. I see a bolt there. I see some bolts here for the speaker here. It looks like there's 4 of those, so I have to take that out too. And another bolt probably over there. Okay, so let me see if this the back part of the deck fit. Okay, so for the speaker, it looks like there's 4 of these. This is the 10 millimeter, so it looks like that's 10. The one that's back there holding the, oh my gosh, it's way back there. Okay, so they both look like 10 millimeter. I'll be taking out a lot of bolts, so I want to videotape it because later I may forget which one goes where. So it looks like this. This is the 10 millimeter that came out of the back there. Okay, so note the difference in length. The longer one came out from the back, okay, for the rear shade, and this shorter one on the right, it came out of the speaker. So I got all 4 bolts taken out, but he's not budging. It looks like something else is holding this. I don't see anything from this side. Wonder if I have to go in from the trunk to see. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this thing since the speaker's blown anyway. Okay, so what I did was that part is there's a tab on the bottom side, so I had to push this in to get the wiring harness out. So guys, after I got the bolts out, speaker still wouldn't want to come out. Okay, so what I had to do was I got one of these. Okay, and then I pried on it, very carefully because I wasn't sure what else is holding it up. I actually went through the trunk and saw a small hole, and I checked everything and I didn't see anything else that's holding it up. So after that, I was a little bit more confident to pry it up here, and oops, the other way around. It started to come up, and it turns out I don't know if that has some glue or something, or it was just stuck on there for a long time. So then it came out. So this is what a blown subwoofer looks like. Okay, these edges, they're literally, look, I didn't even do anything. I just brought it inside. They're literally, if I touch it, they're just disintegrating into powder pieces. So I would imagine majority of these subwoofers for the older Lexus, Mark Livingston, they're probably all in the same situation. And because I don't play the music loudly, I didn't even notice it. Whenever I did, in a very limited instance where I turned up the music, I did hear some vibration, unusual vibration in the subwoofer, but I didn't realize it was this bad. So apparently they have a repair kit where you can clean this up and re-glue in this outer edge foam. Okay, so you just take this out and glue that back in. So I'm gonna do the right measurement and see if I can find the right size, and so that'll be my next repair video.
So in my future video, I'll be repairing the subwoofer and also taking out the rear shade and figuring out how to repair that. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.